Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to purchase Bitcoin on Cash App and send it to a wallet. Alright, let's begin. First, open Cash App and navigate to the homepage. Tap on Bitcoin. Then select Buy. Enter the amount you want to purchase. For this example, let's say $100. After entering the amount, confirm the transaction using your cash PIN. Once confirmed, your Bitcoin purchase is complete and your balance will be updated. To send Bitcoin to another wallet, go back to the Bitcoin section and tap Send. Enter the amount you wish to send, then click Send again. Next, select the recipient by entering their cash tag or Bitcoin address. Choose the withdrawal speed based on your preference, then tap Next. Finally, confirm and send the transaction. Your Bitcoin will be transferred successfully. So that's basically how you can purchase Bitcoin on Cash App and send it to a wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.